Hello, this is Miss Eubank. I still don't have a greeting, so if you guys could help me with a signature greeting that I could do, that would be wonderful. I want to do something different than Mr. Lawrence, so be creative and come up with something for me to say as a greeting and as a closing too. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to find the x-coordinate of a vertex using this formula on negative b over 2a. Now this formula comes directly from the quadratic formula. This part right here, we have the negative b over 2a. So we're going to use this to find the x-coordinate of the vertex. So with the first example, we have y equals 3x squared plus 4x minus x. So we're going to find our b and our a. And if you remember from previous videos, our a, b, and c are just the coefficients in our quadratic equation. So our a is 3, our b is 4, and our c is negative 7. Now we're not going to need our c because we're only using b and a. So we're going to plug these into the formula. So we have negative 4 over 2 times 3. When we do this, we get negative 4 over 6 and this reduces to negative 2/3. So this negative 2/3 is our x-coordinate for the vertex. Now to find the y-coordinate, we're going to plug this number into our equation. So we're going to have 3 times negative 2/3 squared plus 4 times negative 2/3 minus 7. And when we evaluate this, we get, oh, I should put my y up here. Y equals, oops, y equals negative 8.3. I'm going to leave it in decimal form because it's easier to graph when it's in decimal form. So then our coordinate for the vertex is going to be negative 2/3 and negative 8.3. And that's where our vertex is going to be located. All right, let's do another example. All right, so first thing we have to do, find our a, b, and c. Well, in this case, just our a and b. Okay, so our a is 1, our b is 5. The formula is negative b over 2a. So we're going to plug in. So now we have negative 5 over 2 times 1. Negative 5 over 2, which simplifies to negative 2.5. So negative 2.5 is our x-coordinate for the vertex. To find the y, we plug that in. Y equals negative 2.5 squared plus 5 times negative 2.5 plus 6. Oops, my 6 got cut off. So y equals negative 1/4 or 0.25. So our point, the vertex point is negative 2.5 and negative 0.25. That's where our vertex is going to be. Okay, one more example. First, we're going to find our A and B. So A is 2, B is 10. We're going to plug it into our formula, negative B over 2A. And we get negative 10 over 2 times 4, or 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have a negative 10 over 4. So this simplifies to negative 2.5 again as our x-coordinate. So to get our y-coordinate, we're going to plug it back into our equation. So we have y equals 2 times negative 2.5 squared plus 10 times negative 2.5 plus 8. When we evaluate that, y equals negative 4.5. So our vertex is going to be at negative 2.5 and negative 4.5. And we will use these points and when we're graphing. And our vertex is either the highest or lowest point of our graph. So when we graph, it's going to be a parabola. Our vertex, here in this case, is the lowest point. If it's a parabola that goes like this, our vertex is the highest point. Okay, I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you in class.